Welcome to this module on the DaVinci Patient Cart Touchpad and its key functions. We'll begin by orienting you to the main controls. On the right-hand side, you'll find the power button, and on the left-hand side, marked in red, is the emergency stop button. At the base of the touchpad, you'll see two brake release handles. These are used to unlock the patient cart brakes and drive the robot over the sterile field. This can be done with either both hands or a single hand, depending on your preference. Centered between them are two control knobs, which together manage 8 different functions on the patient cart. To activate these knobs, you must press and hold the joystick Enable button. The lower knob controls boom height, allowing you to raise or lower the boom as needed. The round joystick above it allows for a wider range of boom movements. It can extend or retract the boom. Shift it left or right, and rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise. Now, let's move to the touchpad interface. On the home screen, you'll first see the Anatomy Selection button on the left. Always choose the anatomy indicated on the surgeon's preference cards or their robotic cheat sheets. Once anatomy is selected, you'll be prompted to select the approach side, either patient left, patient right, or between the legs, depending on how the robot is being driven in. After these selections, press and hold the Deploy for Draping button. Keep holding until you hear 2 audible tones, indicating the cart is now in position to be draped. Following draping, the same button will automatically change to Deploy for Docking and begin flashing. Again, press and hold until you hear 2 tones confirming successful deployment. At the end of the case, once the robot has been backed away from the sterile field, you'll notice a feature near the top center of the screen labeled Sterile Stow. This function retracts the arms back toward the cart column while keeping them sterile, just in case they're needed later in the procedure. Once the case is officially complete and all robotic arm drapes are removed, the sterile button will change to Stow. Press and hold this button to fully retract the arms and lower the boom to its resting position, completing the robot's proper end-of-day storage protocol. For additional video tutorials and troubleshooting resources, scan the QR code or visit advanced-robotictraining.com and click on the online resources page.